Hello, this is Mrs. Lisa Ray from the Department of Sociology. In my last video, I had discussed about the social institutions, kingship and marriage, and today we will talk about family, the features of family, rather the definition and features of family, the functions of family, the types of family and the structural changes, the factors responsible for the changes of a small family and disintegration of a joint family. So what is actually a family? The family is the most important primary group in society. It is the simplest and the most elementary form of society. Now, from the moment of the birth to the moment of the death, family exerts constant influence and it provides for the most enduring relationship in one form or other. It is a social group consisting of a father, mother, and one or more children. Now let us discuss about the definitions of family. Definitions of family. According to McIver, family is a group defined by sex relationship sufficiently precise and enduring to provide for the procreation and upbringing of children. According to M.F. Nimkoff, family is more or less durable association of husband and wife with or without child, or of a man or woman alone with children. Features of family. Universality. Family is a universal group. It is found in some form or the other in all types of societies, whether primitive or modern. Emotional basis. Family is based on emotions and sentiments. Love and affection are the basis of family ties. Limited size. A family is generally limited in size, even large joint and extended families. Formative influence. Family is the most basic and important group in primary socialization. Nuclear position in social structure. The family is the nucleus of all other organizations. Responsibility of the members. The member of the family has certain responsibilities, duties, and obligations. Social regulations. The family is peculiarly guarded both by social taboos and by social regulations. Functions of family. Stable satisfaction of sex need. Family regulates the sexual behavior of man by its agent marriage. Procreation and rearing of children. Family helps in procreation and child rearing. Provision of home. Family provides the home for its members. It is only in a home that children are born and brought up. An instrument of cultural transmission. Family is an instrument of cultural transmission and an agent of socialization. Status ascribing function. Family also performs status ascription for the individual and essential functions. Affectional functions. Family is an institution which provides mental and emotional satisfaction and security to its individual members. Economic functions. The family fulfills the economic needs of its members. Educational functions. The family performs various educational functions and are the basic training in the social attitudes. Religious functions. Family is the center of all religious activities. The family teaches the children the religious rituals and religious values. Recreational functions. Family performs several recreational functions for its members. Types of family. Family can be classified based on birth, family of orientation. The family in which an individual is born is his family of orientation. Family of procreation. The family where an individual sets up after his or her marriage is his or her family of procreation. Based on marriage. Number 1. Monogamous family. This family consists of one husband and wife. Number 2. Polygynous family. A family consisting of one husband and more than one wife, and all the children born to all the wives are adopted to each other. Number 3. Polyandrous family. A family made up of one wife and more than one husband, and the children either born or adopted with each one of them. Based on residence. Number 1. Family of matrilocal residence. When a couple stays in the wife's house, the family is known as matrilocal residence. Number 2. Family of patrilocal residence. When a family stays in the house of husband, the family is known as the family of patrilocal residence. Based on ancestry or descent. Number 1. Matrilineal family. When ancestry or descent is traced through the female line or through the mother's side, the family is called matrilineal family. Number 2. Patrilineal family. A family in which the authority is carried down the male line or descent is traced through the male line or the father's side is called a patrilineal family. Based on authority. Number 1. Matriarchal family. Matriarchal families are generally found in matrilineal societies. In these families, a woman is the head of the family and the authority is vested in her. Number 2. Patriarchal family. In patriarchal families, the head of the family is a male and the authority is vested on him based on the nature of relations. Number 1. Conjugal family. Conjugal family is made up of adults among whom there is a sexual relationships. It refers to a family system of spouses and their dependent children. Number 2. Consanguine family. A consanguine family is made up of members among whom a blood relation exists or those who are consanguineal kin. Based on state or structure. Number 1. Nuclear family. A nuclear family is a small group consisting of a husband, wife, and children, natural or adopted. It is more or less an autonomous unit that is not under the control of adults. Number 2, joint family. A joint family consists of 3 generations living together under the same roof, sharing the same kitchen and purse or economic expenses. The traditional joint family system of India has undergone vast changes. They have affected its structure and functions and also its stability. Causes for the changes in the joint family system. Number 1, influence of education. Modern system of education has brought about a change in the attitudes, beliefs, values and ideologies of the people. As the level of education rises, the percentage of those in favor of nuclear family increases and the percentage of those supporting joint family decreases. Impact of industrialization. Point number 2. Factory system of production, new system of organization have also affected the joint family. Industrialization separated the home from the work. Point number 3. The influence of urbanization. The urban living weakens joint family patterns and strengthens nuclear family patterns. Educated persons in the urban areas are less in favor of joint family norms. Change in marriage system. Change in the age at marriage, freedom in mate selection, and change in the attitude towards marriage have also affected our family system. Parents' role in mate selection has diminished. Point number 5. Legislative measures. The impact of legislative measures on the family system cannot be ignored. Prohibition of early marriage and fixing the minimum age of marriage, Widow Remarriage Act, have modified the interpersonal relations within the family and the stability of the joint family. Influence of Western values. The Western values relating to modern science, rationalism, equality, democracy, freedom of women have exerted a tremendous influence on the family system. The modern educated youths come under the influence of these values and become free from the tight grip of the joint family. Awareness among women. Increasing female education widened the freedom and employment opportunities for women, created awareness among women. We have come to the end of today's lesson. Thank you for your patient listening.